Today, we will talk about the best side hustles to start this year. In a world where financial security and flexibility are more important than ever, side hustles have become a vital tool for individuals looking to boost their income, explore passions, and achieve their financial goals. Whether you're saving for a significant purchase, paying off debt, or simply want a cushion of extra cash, the right side hustle can make a difference. Let's explore the best side hustles to start this year, from online ventures to hands-on opportunities. 10. Selling handmade products online. Starting an online store to sell handmade products is an excellent way to turn your creativity into a side income. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify provide a user-friendly interface to set up your shop and reach a global audience. Whether you're into creating jewelry, knitted goods, artwork, or custom-made home decor, there's always a market for unique, handcrafted items. Promoting your products through social media and leveraging digital marketing strategies can also boost your sales. While it can take time to establish a customer base, the rewards can be well worth the effort. 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has emerged as one of the most popular online business models in recent years. With dropshipping, you sell products without needing to store inventory or manage shipping. Instead, when a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. Platforms like Shopify, Oberlo, and WooCommerce simplify the process of setting up a dropshipping store. However, success in dropshipping relies on careful product selection, choosing reliable suppliers, and crafting a strong marketing strategy. If you can tap into trending products and effectively market them, dropshipping can become a profitable side hustle with relatively low startup costs. 8. Freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, freelance writing can be an ideal side hustle. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelance writers with clients looking for content creation in various niches, from blogs and to ebooks and website copy. It's a flexible side hustle that allows you to work from anywhere, whether you're at home or on the go. With the right networking and portfolio, freelance writing can quickly grow into a full-time career or a consistent source of income. 7. Becoming a virtual assistant. With more businesses operating online, the demand for virtual assistants, VAs, has grown significantly. Virtual assistants provide remote support to businesses, entrepreneurs, and executives, helping with tasks like scheduling, email management, social media, research, and customer service. VA work can be done from anywhere, offering significant flexibility. Websites like Belay, Zirtual, and Remote.co are great platforms to find virtual assistant opportunities, where you can build long-term client relationships and earn a steady income. 6. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, online tutoring can be a highly rewarding side hustle. You can teach a wide range of topics, from academic subjects like math, science, and history, to specialized skills like music or language. Platforms such as VIPKid, Wizant, and Preply connect tutors with students globally. With the increasing demand for online learning, tutoring is an excellent side hustle with a relatively low barrier to entry, especially if you have teaching experience or a degree in your subject area. 5. Content creation on social media. In today's digital age, social media has become a platform for individuals to build personal brands, showcase their talents, and monetize their content. Whether you're interested in creating videos for YouTube, sharing lifestyle tips on Instagram, or posting creative short-form videos on TikTok, there are numerous ways to turn social media into a profitable side hustle. Success in content creation requires consistency, creativity, and the ability to engage with an audience. Monetization can come through sponsorships, ads, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. While it can take time to build a following, social media platforms offer immense opportunities for those who are dedicated and passionate about their niche. 4. Real estate investment. Real estate has long been considered a reliable source of wealth generation, and with new investment platforms, it's easier than ever to get started. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow individuals to pool their money and invest in residential or commercial properties without the need for large amounts of capital. This side hustle requires a long-term commitment, as real estate investments typically appreciate over time and can provide passive income through rental properties. For those looking to get their feet wet in real estate, crowdfunding is an accessible entry point that offers diversified exposure to the market. 3. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a fantastic way to generate passive income. From ebooks and online courses to printable planners and design templates, digital products are relatively easy to create and have low overhead costs. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly without the need for restocking or shipping. The beauty of digital products is that they provide income long after the initial effort, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to earn money passively. 2. Investing in the stock market. Stock market investing is one of the most popular and proven ways to grow wealth over time. With platforms like Robinhood, eTrade, and Fidelity, individuals can start investing in stocks, ETFs, and bonds with minimal capital. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Many apps and platforms offer educational resources and tools to help beginners make informed investment decisions. Investing in the stock market is a long-term strategy, but with a disciplined approach, it can be a lucrative side hustle. Consider starting with low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for diversified exposure to the market. With the potential for compounded returns, this is one of the best ways to build wealth passively. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most effective ways to earn passive income, especially for those with a website, blog, or active social media presence. By promoting products or services through unique affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referrals. Affiliate marketing can be done from anywhere and with minimal upfront costs, making it one of the most accessible and lucrative side hustles available. Over time, affiliate marketing can become a steady source of income with very little active effort, making it ideal for those seeking passive earnings. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.